Hey, what's going on? My name is Ricky Figueroa. This video, I'm going to answer a question about that I got in my YouTube channel about dating ads on Facebook. How to get approved and everything involved with that. I was doing a research. When I do dating ads, I don't run them on Facebook. I run them on other traffic networks. But Facebook, some people complain about Facebook that is hard on some affiliate marketers, but let's say for example, if you are doing an ad about making money, you can't promise that you will make money. You have to, it's how you word your ad so you could get approved. You could just share, for example, you could say this is a story about a guy who made $1 million in Shopify and so on, and just show proof of money. But you can't promise that they will make money. Same thing with dating. It's kind of hard to just it's how you write it. But if you search like Facebook help for business ads and you type dating on top, you can see here that it's allowed, but you have to go to a process. So basically saying if you want to run adult offers, you better comply with the advertiser policy, in which I have it right here. But and basically fill out the form, in which I have it right here. But that's the steps that you have to go. Just search for business help ads, and then search dating. Read the even they show you how to target dating on Facebook. It's under ads manager. Click on the detail targeting, single relationship, unspecified relationship status, narrow the audience and everything. But this is how you could get approved. Just it's how you word it, and you be in compliance. Just run, read the advertiser policy, which is this one right here. Um, and then also filled out the form, in which is gonna ask you a name, email, name of the dating service, parent company, password, how much you're gonna spend, what's your Facebook ID account for the ads, and so on. And then you submit. I guess you wait a few days, and you could run your ads. So this is a video. I'm not showing you how to do things like that, but I do have other videos that shows how to make money with dating or make money with affiliate marketing. For some reason, my channel is freaking giving me a hard time. But if you go to my channel, I have plenty of videos there showing you how to make money with affiliate marketing. Let me see, let me try again. Um, Come on, man. So go to my channel. There are a few videos that I recommend in my channel right here. This one right here, learn the, what is it? How to promote CPA offers on adult sites. I covered everything there. I mean, for like start to finish. How to set up the tracker, which tracker to use, traffic networks. The only thing I'm not showing you, because I can't show you that, is banners of adult sites. I can't show you that on YouTube because I will get banned or someone will complain about it. But just pretend everything is explained. There is an hour video, but I'm showing you everything. People charge this $1,000 just to show something like this. People could charge, I could charge $1,000 just for this course right here. I'm gonna keep creating videos for you so you can learn how to make money, like using ClickBank. There's another video here about ClickBank. Learn basics of affiliate marketing right here. This is a good video also. This is another good video, how to promote ClickBank for free. Just go to my channel and look things here. Was how not to get banned using Facebook ads. How to use ClickFunnels for e-commerce. Those are like funnels already done. Another dating or CPA strategy, and just let me know. Just let me know what type of stuff you want to learn, and I'll make a video. I mean, from start to finish. Today is December 10th, 2018. I'm going to create a video how to run a Facebook ads using Beam Up as a tracker. Uh, Maybe I do ClickMagick, but ClickMagick takes a lot of more extra steps. But yes, you definitely need ClickFunnels, Facebook ads, of course, because this is your traffic network. And we're gonna look for an offer and we're gonna set it up. So that's the video that I'm gonna do just now. But I wanted to answer the question. Yes, you can run daily ads on Facebook, but you have to comply. Or if you don't wanna do this, fill out the form thing. Just be careful how you write things. And every time you do a Facebook ad, make sure you write this in your landing page. This is not a part of Facebook website or Facebook Inc. Additionally, this is not endorsed by Facebook in any way. Facebook is a trademark of Facebook Inc. That has to go in your landing page. It's not, your ad could not get approved. Plus, you need to add your policy, conditions, or whatever you want to call it, terms and condition policy in your lander. Now, if you're running how to make money online ads, which is not even related to this video, but you have to put disclaimers. As soon as you put disclaimers, you'll be fine. Just take a screenshot, copy it, whatever. I'm not gonna post this in the comments. Just take a shot and write it down. But if you want to learn about affiliate marketing, I do have some courses and stuff like that in the section below. Like especially, you could grab my tracker Beam Up right here. You could take the challenge. This is a challenge that I'm doing right now with for affiliate marketing. It's gonna show you everything. You're gonna have access to my 1 million blueprint, which is gonna show you what a landing page is, the tracking, retargeting, email sequence, and that's how you set up the marketing the right way. Also, what else? How to build online free course. This is a free course that I'm also giving away for free. If you wanna spend money, you could go this one. But if you don't want to spend money, you just grab a course, simple course for free is right there. This is another course, affiliate marketing course. This one's gonna show you crazy stuff also. So it's up to you which one you want to go. ClickBank course. If you want to make money with ClickBank, go to that one. If you need a hosting company, you need Max Bounty account, if you need ClickFunnels, ClickMagick account, and so on. So check it out. But I'm gonna say bye for now. I'm gonna just create a video about how to do run ads on Facebook in a good way, and then we'll see you into the next one. Take care now.